Call me Woody. Wild Woody!
So I've already did most of my hair on the 6th, and this is pretty much what it looks like today. I didn't really take care of it, but I already tried the sponge out, so I like it. So we're just gonna re-go over it to do our starter locks. My hair is pretty much almost patterned. This is what we're using. This is also what we're using, and you can see my blonde hairs in the sponge. So now I'm just going over my hair, pretty much just going in the same direction. You don't want to go in any different directions, because if you get it retwisted and your hair's in different directions, you're going to be messed up. And then towards the end, I am going to redo this again today because the back is not fully locked or fully sponged, I should say. I did go over it towards the end. You can see that in the pictures though, but I have to redo this all over again. I will put that video up coming soon. But this so far is what I have. Kind of like it, kind of like the curl patterns. I will be going to a loctician. Just so they can do maintenance on it. I don't want to keep doing this, and that's pretty much what you have for right now.